those options, or just try and trust power, pull the driver out, try and hit over that leg side field.
That's a great place to hit it. That is a super place to hit it here. Behind you, it's such a short boundary, and there's pace in the wicket.
Well, the difference with this is length. Jamieson has been very good with the Yorker, the first 3 deliveries. This one enabled Hafiz to get underneath it. It was a top edge, yes, but it's short of a length, and it's a change. Jamison's face, his head back in the air. Yeah, sorry, skipper. He's allowed to play well. He's certainly had some luck, but he's earned it through a positive intent. As Brendan McCullum identified early. Positivity can often work in your favour in different ways.
Oh, take that again. Take it again. This one just goes for 4. Use the edge. Forget about the middle. They're not going to set a field for the edges.
And the bowler felt unlucky, but it's just length. He was so good the first 3 balls the Yorkers were on. It just shows the margins that these bowlers are operating to, especially a player like Hafiz is in. Pitching 100, expect that if you do miss, then a batsman calibre Hafiz is going to hurt you.
Well, they can't get 100 unless Jameson oversteps here. A bowls a no ball. Why not finish 99 not out? Here we go. Oh, is he? Is he going to? Or is he going to be out? No, he's not. He's going to finish 99 not out. What an innings. If there's anyone deserved 100, it was that man there. But he's right.